Bullish GMT value forecast is $0.6263 to $1.7398. STEPN, GMT, cost could likewise reach $2.5 soon. Bearish GMT cost expectation for 2023 is $0.2202. In STEPN, GMT, cost expectation 2023. We use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about GMT to break down the future development of the cryptographic money. What is STEPN, GMT? STEPN, GMT, is the administration badge of STEPN. STEPN is a transition to procure, M2E, NFT game based on top of the Solana blockchain. This Web3 way of life application was made by the Australian firm Fine Satoshi Labs and sent off in late 2021. STEPN utilizes a double symbolic model, Green Metaverse Token, GMT, and Green Satoshi Token, GST. GMT fills in as the administration token, while GST is utilized for buying the in-game components, for example, STEPN's popular NFT shoes. Prominently, STEPN empowers clients to procure cryptos for running, strolling, or running. STEPN, GMT, value forecast 2023. STEPN, GMT, stands firm on the 177th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. GMT cost forecast 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of GMT laid a flat channel design. An even channel or sideways pattern resembles a square-shaped design. It comprises of somewhere around 4 contact focuses. This is on the grounds that it needs somewhere around 2 lows to interface, as well as 2 highs. Trading pressure is equivalent, and the common course of cost activity is sideways. Flat channels give a reasonable and methodical method for exchanging by giving trade focuses. At the point when the cost stirs things up around town of the channel, sell your current long position or take a short position. The contrast between the other two is that a flat channel is portrayed as having equivalent ups and downs. Right now, STEPN, GMT, is in the scope of $0.3932. In the event that the example proceeds, the cost of GMT could arrive at the opposition levels of $0.6263 and $1.7398. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of GMT might tumble to $0.3741 and $0.2254. The outlines show that STEPN has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, GMT could run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at $1.1356. As needs be, on the off chance that the financial backers betray crypto, the cost of STEPN could fall to nearly $0.2202, a negative sign. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume, RVOL, of STEPN is displayed in the graph beneath. It is a mark of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some stretch of time from the past exchanging volume. At present, the RVOL of STEPN lies beneath the N line, showing frail members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal, MAMA, of STEPN is displayed in the diagram above. Outstandingly, STEPN cost lies under 50 MAMA, present moment, so it is in a downtrend. At present, STEPN has entered a negative state. Consequently, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of STEPN whenever. In the interim, the general strength list, RSI, of the STEPN is 38.16. This implies that STEPN is in an almost oversold state. Notwithstanding, this implies a significant value inversion of GMT might happen in the forthcoming days. Thus, dealers need to painstakingly exchange STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2023 ADX, RVI. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list, ADX, of STEPN. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. This pointer is the normal of the growing cost range values. This framework endeavors to gauge the strength of cost development in the positive and negative headings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph addresses the ADX of STEPN, GMT. At present, the ADX of GMT lies in the scope of 13.2217, and consequently, it shows a frail pattern. The above graph likewise addresses the overall unpredictability record, RVI, of STEPN, GMT. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some stretch of time. The RVI of GMT lies under 50, showing low instability. Truth be told, the RSI of stepn, GMT, is at 38.16, subsequently affirming a potential sell signal. Examination of GMT with BTC, ETH. The beneath outline shows the cost examination between Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and stepn, GMT. From the above diagram, we can decipher that the value activity of GMT is like BTC. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of GMT additionally increments or diminishes individually. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2024 to 2030. Various elements are considered while anticipating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. We should foresee the cost of stepn, GMT between 2024 and 2030. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2024. Assuming the declining cost activity totally dials back in energy, and the pattern turns around, stepn, GMT, could likely accomplish $4 by 2024. stepn, GMT, value forecast 2025 with a few updates in the organization. stepn, GMT, could enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, GMT could revitalize to hit $6 by 2025. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2026 if stepn, GMT, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 3 years. GMT would energize to hit $8. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2027 if stepn, GMT, supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among the financial backers for the following 4 years. GMT would mobilize to hit $10. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2028 if stepn, GMT, supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among the financial backers for the following 5 years. GMT would revitalize to hit $12. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2029 stepn, GMT, holds up areas of strength for and as a superior speculation choice for the following 6 years. In the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unpredictable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, GMT would hit $14 in 2029. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2030. Assuming that financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on stepn, GMT, it would observe significant spikes. GMT could hit $16 by 2030. And with constant upgrades in the stepn organization, we can say that 2023 is a decent year for GMT. Thus, the bullish value forecast of stepn, GMT, in 2023 is